1. Which is the oldest stock exchange in Asia? The correct answer is Bombay Stock Exchange. 2. On which exact date was the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association established? The correct answer is the 9th of July 1875. 3. Under which type of tree did the early brokers of BSE gather to trade shares? The correct answer is banyan tree. 4. Which major global stock exchange was founded through the Bretton Woods Agreement? The correct answer is New York Stock Exchange. 5. Which city hosted the world's first official stock exchange established in 1602? The correct answer is Amsterdam. 6. Which committee recommended setting up the National Stock Exchange of India? The correct answer is Fairwani Committee. 7. In which year was the National Stock Exchange of India incorporated? The correct answer is 1992. 8. In which year did the National Stock Exchange start its electronic screen-based trading operations? The correct answer is 1994. 9. On which date did the SEBI Act of 1992 come into force, giving it statutory powers? The correct answer is the 30th of January 1992. 10. What is the base year for the calculation of the BSE Sensex Index? The correct answer is 1978-1979. 11. How many companies are currently selected to form the BSE Sensex Index? The correct answer is 30. 12. What is the base year chosen for the NSE Nifty 50 index? The correct answer is 1995. 13. How many companies comprise the flagship index Nifty of the National Stock Exchange? The correct answer is 50. 14. What was the initial base value set for the BSE Sensex Index? The correct answer is 100. 15. What was the initial base value set for the NSE Nifty 50 index? The correct answer is 1000. 16. In which Indian city was the first formal stock exchange established? The correct answer is Mumbai. 17. Which historic global stock market crash triggered the Great Depression? The correct answer is Wall Street crash of 1929. 18. Which flower is famous for creating the first recorded speculative bubble in economic history? The correct answer is tulip. 19. Which historical company issued the world's first public shares in 1602? The correct answer is Dutch East India Company. 20. Who is considered the father of modern technical analysis and co-founder of Dow Jones? The correct answer is Charles Dow. 21. In which year was SEBI originally established as a non-statutory administrative body? The correct answer is 1988. 22. Which street in Mumbai is universally known as the home of the Bombay Stock Exchange? The correct answer is Dalal Street. 23. What is the name of the automated electronic trading system introduced by NSE in 1994? The correct answer is NEAT. 24. Which system handles the electronic conversion and storage of physical share certificates in India? The correct answer is depositories. 25. Which was the first depository to be registered and operationalized in India in 1996? The correct answer is NSDL. 26. In which year did India introduce electronic or dematerialized share trading? The correct answer is 1996. 27. Which stock market index is famously known as the Dow Jones Industrial Average? The correct answer is New York Stock Exchange Index. 28. Which index was launched by BSE in 1989 to reflect dollar-denominated asset returns? The correct answer is DOLLEX. 29. Which major financial scam in 1992 accelerated structural reforms in the Indian stock market? The correct answer is Harshad Mehta scam. 30. Which physical trading method was completely replaced by screen-based electronic trading in India? The correct answer is Open Outcry System. 31. Who served as the first chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India? The correct answer is Sadev. 32. Which American stock exchange was founded in 1971 as the world's first electronic marketplace? The correct answer is Nasdaq. 33. In which year did the Bombay Stock Exchange become a publicly listed stock exchange? The correct answer is 2017. 34. Where is the corporate headquarters of the National Stock Exchange of India located? The correct answer is Mumbai. 35. Which entity provides clearing and settlement guarantees for trades executed on the NSE? The correct answer is NCL. 36. Which global financial index provider determines the weight of Indian equities in global portfolios? The correct answer is MSCI. 37. What animal term is used to describe a stock market where prices are rising consistently? The correct answer is bull. 38. Which act passed in 1956 provides the legal framework for regulating stock exchanges in India? The correct answer is Securities Contracts Regulation Act. 39. In which city was the second oldest stock exchange of India established in 1908? The correct answer is Kolkata. 40. What kind of financial market deals with buying and selling existing or previously issued securities? The correct answer is secondary market. 41. What market refers to the ecosystem where companies raise capital by issuing new shares via IPOs? The correct answer is primary market. 42. What instrument tracks an index and trades on a stock exchange exactly like an individual stock? The correct answer is exchange traded fund. 43. Which body regulated capital issues and share pricing in India before SEBI was empowered? The correct answer is Controller of Capital Issues. 44. In which year was the Controller of Capital Issues office officially abolished? The correct answer is 1992. 45. What is the name of the exclusive trading platform launched by BSE for small business listings? The correct answer is BSE SME. 46. What does the letter E stand for in the abbreviation BSE? The correct answer is exchange. 47. What does the letter N stand for in the abbreviation NSE? The correct answer is national. 48. What is the current standard rolling settlement cycle for major shares in India? The correct answer is T+1. 49. Which regulatory body was merged with SEBI in 2015 to centralize commodity and equity markets? The correct answer is Forward Markets Commission. 50. What index was launched by NSE in 2000 to trade index futures for the first time? The correct answer is Nifty 50 Futures.